Hey Ben, it's Bobby and Dwayne. How's it going?
Good. How you guys doing?
Man, we just crossed into Tennessee. Looks like we're running through some rain. Excited to see you guys. You ready to go hiking?
Well, you know what? I've got a rain jacket and an umbrella, and I've got that album Singing in the Rain. I'm ready. Let's do it.
Sweet. Well, we'll see you in about 2 hours, and we'll get on the road.
All right, y'all be careful.
All right. All right.
The farthest I've ever been is the top of these steps.
Video number 3.
Great Smoky Mountains.
We've added some more people to our group. We got Ben Graham.
Hello.
And his son Zach.
So,
So we're starting out, on Newfound Gap, heading to Sweat Heifer.
Are we there yet?
We are on the Appalachian Trail.
We're not going to Maine, right? Not today?
Not today.
are we done for the day? I would like to narrate this, but I'm huffing and puffing right now. We have been hiking what feels like days, miles. I don't know how much longer we can go. Okay, we've actually been out here for 2 minutes, and we
Dramatic.
We can
Come
still
from-
see the trailhead.
right there, but still, we'll edit that part out so nobody knows. Okay, so Bobby and Dwayne posted this awesome video of them hiking and canoeing, and I saw it on Facebook. I was like, sign me up, I want to go on the next one. What they didn't show was the mountain climbing, the heavy backpacks, and the fact that there's no bathroom out here. They didn't show any of that. But dummy me said, hey, sign me up and I'll go with them. So we're out today exploring. We're up in the Smoky Mountains. It's beautiful out here. We're hiking along the trail. And of course, we've already been warned by 5 people, watch out, the bears are out this year. So I don't know what that means, but if you notice, we've sent Zach all the way up there. So he is kind of like he's our test dummy to see if the bears are out there. And if he's safe, then maybe we're safe. Dwayne's doing the camera, so he's in the back. So me and Bobby, we're in the middle because, well, we're trying not to get eaten by bears, but it's going to be fun. We're out here on an awesome trail. This part of the Appalachian Trail goes all the way to Maine. We have already crossed the state, so we've done really good. Of course, we started on the state line. Let's not go there. So it's going to be a blast. Let's go. We said that because people were behind us.
Yeah, so this is really cool that we get to relive our childhood here and hiking in the Great Smoky Mountains.
Except the only thing in our childhood, I don't remember huffing and puffing this much.
No, we didn't. A little different, but yeah.
No, this is awesome. Okay, so we've been out here for, it's got to be hours. Oh, okay, 10 minutes. This is the second in 6 months physical challenging thing that I've done, and I'm loving it. I'm feeling pumped. Of course, my son is 8 miles ahead of us, but other than that, up and away. Ooh. Very majestic.
It does look heavenly.
Yeah, the hiking part, backpacking, not so bad. The mountain climbing, that's another story. Woo! 3 or 4 times I've had to get the rope out to propel up the mountain. It propels to go down. I'm delusional right now because we're high in elevation. I can't breathe.
Hey, scoot over up the ladies' pass that's behind us.
By the way, this is the first time I've ever been high. We got ladies about to pass us, but in all fairness, they got little packs. They're day packs. This is like a man's pack right here. I am regretting that 6-pack of Snickers I brought. You can probably hear my heart beating. It's pounding. No wonder they invited me.
Trying to get in the foggy.
My eyes have been like that since about 5 minutes into the trip. Oh, we're high enough up. pose you want it? Because I got it now.
That's it. Turn this way just a little bit though. There you go. That's it. I think you got it.
Edit me laughing because that's crazy.
Wait, say it again.
I feel like every time somebody passes me, I need to have a shirt that says I'm a heart attack cancer survivor, just so they know. They'd be like, whoa, what a, oh, bless your heart. You know, something like that. Come on.
They probably have like 25 years on this.
And they probably had 6 heart attacks and survived cancer 7 times, but hey, you know, whatever. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'm just not as big of a jerk. I don't have to pass people, okay? This is all about kindness. I'm a Christian, even up here in the mountains, in the woods. Was that believable?
Okay, so this is our second break. We've gone 1.5 miles.
I will say this, man. My heart finally has gotten to about 300 beats a minute, so I'm getting there. So let me just warn anybody else that watches this video and says, hey, I want to go on a hike with y'all. And you ask Bobby, what should I bring? And he said, I don't want you to go get stuff. I said, I got some stuff. But in saying that, I didn't know what I need to bring. I mean, I've never done this kind of hiking. So I find out, you know, that there's actual bags that they have that's called gravity bags. So it makes it not as heavy as a normal cheapo bag you'd order off Amazon, like I did. Oh, then I find out, oh, bring flavor to put in your water. So you're not just water, you know, that has energy in it. What else has he not told me?
So what he didn't know is I brought enough to share. I've got 2 packages for him. I got him.
Hold on, 2 packages.
You gonna share backpacks?
No.
No, but I tell you what we did do. We brought a 2-man hammock because it gets cold at night.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay in the shelter with 12 other strangers.
Yes. Did you?
So here we are.
We got to make sure we don't get lost.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a left, stay on the Appalachian Trail.
Does that feel like one of those scary movies? It feels like a scary movie with all the fog.
Whew. This is a rocky trail.
Go with me to my father's house. Is that old Bobby song? Yeah. I hope, off to work we go. We're 4 of the 7 dwarfs. More like 7 dwarfs.
Yeah.
That's the best moves I got.
All right, Ben may one up you.
This is what I do for my cardio in the mornings. Sorry, it's not very pretty. All right, Bobby, look to the right. You don't want to look down. Never look at the camera. Looks unprofessional.
I was going slow and I decided to.
Zach's done got through 2 cigarettes waiting on us.
All right, so we're gonna take a little detour. Yeah. Oh, it's only 0.3 miles to the Jumpoff trail.
Which one are we going to? That's 1.3.
Yeah, and then we'll come back down and then we'll go up to Icewater.
That's to the right.
Yeah. So we're gonna go up here and then we'll come back down. Yeah.
Wait, where are we going to?
The jump off trail right here.
So
Look at a view real fast.
No, I'm looking at the wrong
pictures.
sound. I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm going 0.2, 1.3. What are y'all reading? Y'all been smoking something. They done lost their mind. Oh, there's another
Ben's
sign.
like, I was told there'd be no math.
yeah, come on. You want me to hike and do math? Come on.
Yeah, I guess so. Jump off.
I like the trail.
Is that the normal trail?
No, what's right there?
No. This is
We're
a
right here. Yeah, so we just
this is a little spur trail we're gonna do.
Squeeze the cheeks a little bit. It just doesn't look as authentic.
Let's go the way that we went.
Huh? Y'all actually see a trail?
We're not sure if this is a trail or a waterfall.
I mean, this is a waterfall. Unless the trail's straight that way. Well, I don't know if
I don't think that's the trail.
Let's go.
Yeah, no, this is the trail thing.
Is that the trail?
I think it is.
Where are you going to?
Jump off
No, I mean, do you see a trail? Which way?
that way.
Okay.
There it goes.
That was my question. I thought you were saying you didn't see any trail. What I love is we don't even know if we're on a trail. I think we're walking through a creek, but our fearless leader, Dwayne, said we should go here anyway because we're trying to make a great film documentary, and the chances of something happening are far greater on this trail than the one down there that was smooth where all the people were walking on. And this one that only the animals go through, and us, you know, we go through these because this is the real deal right here. And Zach, I think he's like already there. Zach, how's that trail looking? I want to think that's good, but I know how downhill works too. Yeah. How come you always start rolling every time I'm huffing, puffing, and whining? Come on, gotta make me look tough. Like the old man that can't make it. Heard of the oil engine that could? This is the old man that couldn't. Actually, it has been very humiliating to have old men and ladies pass me on the trail all day long. It happens everywhere we go. Whoa.
Where's that go?
Into the mist.
That might be a good place for lunch here.
He went into the mist.
Hey, cold again.
Lunchtime in the rain.
We're eating in the rain.
Just eating in the rain.
In case you're not sure who that is, that's Dwayne. Just looks different with his dress rain suit thing on. It's longer than your shorts, man. Where's Bobby?
Don't make fun of my color.
What are you eating?
Nectarine.
There's Zach.
So,
Well, he's dropping
Drop
his
food.
Vienna sausage. Nice.
for the bears.
You saw it coming.
Considered closed.
So they're all standing, and then I'm relaxing in my chair because this is how I roll.
And then he rolls.
How many?
Oh Lord! How many of those you going?
Makes. Davy Crockett. Sorry, he used to call animals too. And then ran me a bear. We're going into the wilderness. Off to the side there is the drop off. We're way up on top here. Where did we just went to, what was it, Jumpoff?
I think we were on Jumpoff.
We're on Jumpoff, which is supposed to be the highest point on this trail. This is secondhand information. Honestly, it might only be 2 feet in the air. We really don't know.
Says it unprofessional to look at the camera.
Don't do that. Why would you do that? All right, we are heading up to what is supposed to be a spectacular view. It's been a little foggy today, so we'll have to see if we can see. It looks like it might be just a tad bit foggy today.
Wow.
Don't fall over on that.
No heck no.
All right, here we are, Smoky Mountains. You can kind of see the mountains there. That's why they call it the Smokies. Like, I think we're in the middle of a cloud. Bobby and Dwayne, we hiked all the way back here. We've probably seen, what, 30 hikers or so today. Not a one of them came this way because they're not adventurous like we are. Because this was a rugged trail. I mean, you know, we fought off bears. Well, okay, they might have been squirrels, but it felt like some kind of
large squirrel.
They were large, yeah, they were big squirrels, and we fought those off to get here. We had to go through the rain to get here. I mean, it was intense for a little while. Not gonna lie, I really wondered if we were gonna make it. Yeah, see, look, I mean, we're enduring a lot of stuff here to get you this great footage.
Not bad.
Yep. Another thing he forgot to tell us. Like, this, okay, the backpack thing you didn't tell me. What is this? The water filtration system 3000. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, let's go camping, he says. In the middle of the rainy season in Gatlinburg, bears are at their all-time high. I'm probably going to die from getting eaten by bears. And then you don't tell me, oh, yeah, they were free.
Life straw.
You know, I thought that was that new, no, you know how they have that new paper straw instead of, that's what I thought it was. I thought we were saving the
Environment.
The only thing is your mouth's been on that.
Has it?
Who's filtrating that?
Good.
Get off this. What is it? After see Charlie's toenail. No, whatever.
Sorry, guys. No, you're good.
It's a good picture.
It actually
Hey, right here it looks like you're crawling sideways. So Zach was standing up on that. Great view. He's gonna switch now. Dwayne's gonna go up there.
slide off of me. It's just like you're trouble.
Get your finger on my camera now.
You can be in the video.
I'll be in it.
Go ahead. I'll come in behind you.
Zach and Bobby are gone.
Yeah.
They're going for the shelter. We're no more running.
A little tunnel, slip and slide all the way down to the bottom.
First one, I want to figure out where to put my foot right here.
All right.
It's been raining. We're soaked. We got 3.8 miles to go. We're going about 2 miles an hour. So we got about 2 more hours to get to shelter.
So, Bobby and I have been doing this kind of stuff for ever since we were little kids. Find an adventure. Oh crap! Hang on.
Back to my own feet. I'm back.
I turned the camera the wrong way because it's gonna film me, and then I flipped it around the wrong way.
I'm flipping a bunch right now.
There's something up there. I'm like,
We are at our next crossing. So we have 2.5 miles to camp.
all right, here we are on what we hope is our final crossing for the night. This is a pretty big one. You can see A lot of water on the trail anyway. And then we've got this. Zach stopped up on ahead because it'd be good for us to cross this one together. It's gonna be fun.
All right, so we made the decision to take our shoes off to cross the waterfall.
You've been trying to get me to show my legs all day long.
We just want to compare them to Bobby's.
Well, boys, this might be the
Good leg. So wide. So wide.
super fly. You can do it! Look at the focus, look at the grit, look at the determination. And he is almost across, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's cold. Oh, he come on this side of that rock. What's that big rock? He's living on the edge just a little bit. That's all I'm saying. Base camp for us tonight. There's a shelter here. We're probably going to stay in hammocks outside, but we've got this here in case it starts raining. Should be interesting. Alright, we've arrived at our little shelter here. We may stay here. I'll find a tree for my hammock. We really don't know yet. What do you think?
I'm sleeping here.
Get a fire going. We may all want to sleep in here.
Already coming.
This is how you do it. The camp.
Probably roll.
Bobby was the one that was laying out most of this.
Filming.
And Dwayne broke out something. I don't know what he broke out, but I think we got coffee in this one, right?
Yeah, those are with me. Water,
Coffee.
coffee.
It's my chili.
This is my rice and chicken. Let's leave this southwest.
There's chili right here.
All right, so me and Zach got our hammocks all set up. This is where we're sleeping at tonight.
I was just saying, you guys may have made the right move. I mean, bear's here, but we have mice running right there on the wall.
See a mouse?
Two.
Yeah, the guy was saying there might be some, and I was like, yeah, my luck, because I'm right here by the wall. This is where they go. And as soon as I did that, mice
Two.
one.
Mice two.
And I turned the flashlight on mice two.
No way.
Yes way.
Yeah. Right next to where my head's going to be. Yeah, I'm now going, maybe I should have come out here.
Now when you tighten up and you I mean, this is where Ben and Dwayne chose to sleep tonight. In a shelter. With Mickey Mouse. No, your eyes do not deceive you. There are not ghosts in the woods. This is what we have to do to keep the bears out of our food and bags at nighttime. I mean, it's 9 o'clock. Let's fix to go to bed.
Yeah, how about
I'm tired.
There's a little bit of daylight right up there.
All right. Good night. Hey, you want your coffee?
In a cup, fool. We're on day 2 of our hike. There's Dwayne, there's Bobby. Zach's way ahead of us, 19, so he kind of wants to show off. We would go as fast as him, but we're just old and experienced. We know we don't have to. That and Something about breathing when we go any faster. We're having a great time. Right now we're just walking up, going back up the mountain that we climbed down yesterday.
Your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day is breathing.
So what I hear you saying is this trail takes your breath away.
Yes. Exactly. This tree's got roots growing across the trail.
Yeah.
There may be one more stop before you. I see. I'm not gonna make it now, but who am I kidding? Free and easy down the road, I know.
It's all about the climb.
Get you. Nope. I was hoping for another incline.
Still climbing.
I just remembered, I know y'all said something about doing this next year, but I have something going on that day. Some falls that we're coming across that we got to cross here in a minute. Just a little creeks running through here.
So you let them cross to see how they do first, so you know which way to go. You can do it!
Well, you got wet.
So, how was the falls?
Wet.
Oh yeah, nice. You didn't get hurt, right?
No, a little bit.
Yeah, too bad.
Not too bad, but look, right, that's from the last one. That was from the canoe wreck.
How long ago was that?
About a month ago.
2 months ago.
Yeah. Well, we just finished our little brunch break here. Dwayne got a little wet
Just a touch.
crossing that. Doesn't look that bad, but stepped in the wrong place and deeper than it looks.
That one looks really rough.
That one's going to be a tough one to cross. That's why we had to get lunch first.
For me, it will be tough. This trail never seems to end.
Yeah, I'm discouraged by that last count.
We're still hiking up Sweaty Heifer Creek. Hit us straight up and up and up. You just got that bird flying across your head.
Sweet. That thing didn't poop in my head.
That'd have been awesome.
Hey, when we stopped back here, did you check the mileage tracker?
I have never wished for a map to be wrong more than I have right now.
Yeah. Please let it be only 0.2 0.2 of a mile. I'm delirious.
We got lower.
Well, we've been going straight up all morning. Not much of a view. We're on top of the mountain.
This leg of the trail was about 2.4 miles. Straight uphill, very narrow, carrying these heavy backpacks, 40 to 50 pounds. I think we all were feeling it a little bit, but we made it to our next trail, and it feels wonderful. We were at that shelter, which was 3.7 miles. Now we're heading to 1.7.
So we are actually heading out now on the last leg of the trip. Look forward to hearing what everybody thought about the trip.
I'm sure it was.
Yeah.
That was stupid.
Yeah, I had to come.
15 miles, a lot of elevation, and we got to do part of our bucket list, the AT.
I'm tired. It was fun. So I just want y'all to know I hate y'all right now.
1 to the 2 to the 3 and to the 4. Yeah, 1 to the 2 to the 3 and to the 4.